Starting a YouTube channel is an exciting venture that allows individuals to share their passions, knowledge, or talents with the world. With millions of viewers on the platform, YouTube offers a vast audience to connect with and potentially make an impact on. To begin this journey, one should first decide on the content they want to create. Whether it's vlogs, tutorials, gaming, or any other niche, it's crucial to choose something that genuinely interests and excites the creator. This passion will help sustain motivation and make the content more engaging for viewers. Once the content is defined, it's time to plan and set up the technical aspects. Creating a YouTube channel requires a Google account, and setting it up is quite straightforward. The creator will need to choose a catchy name and create an attention-grabbing channel banner and logo. These visual elements play a significant role in attracting potential viewers. Following the channel setup, it's necessary to invest in decent recording equipment. A good camera, microphone, and lighting are essential to produce high-quality videos. While one doesn't need to go overboard with expenses, investing in good equipment can significantly enhance the viewing experience. Consistency is crucial to building a successful YouTube channel. Establishing a regular upload schedule will not only help gain and retain subscribers but also demonstrate reliability. Additionally, creators should pay attention to SEO, search engine optimization, strategies, such as using relevant keywords and tags in titles, descriptions, and tags, to optimize discoverability in YouTube search results. Lastly, successful YouTubers engage with their audience. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and utilizing social media platforms to interact with viewers can create a loyal community surrounding the channel. This genuine connection helps foster growth and encourages viewers to become active subscribers. Starting a YouTube channel requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. By focusing on creating compelling content, mastering the technical aspects, maintaining consistency, and engaging with the audience, aspiring creators can embark on an exciting journey in the world of YouTube. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.